Hi everyone, welcome to Share classes. Today in this video, draw an equilateral triangle with all its sides touching the circle of radius 3 cm in easy way. So please watch the video till the end. So let's start the video. First of all, let us measure here 3 centimeter length with the help of scale and compass. So this is a 3 centimeter length. Now taking here any point as a center of the circle, then drawing a circle. Okay. So now this is the center of the circle. So taking here O as a center of the circle. Next joining the radius of the circle. So taking here point P on the circumference. Next drawing 120-degree angle on the radius OP with the help of protractor. So first marking here 120-degree angle. Okay. So now joining this. So this is also a radius of the circle. So taking here point Q. Again drawing 120-degree angle on the radius OQ with the help of protractor. So first measuring here 120 degree. So marking here 120 degree. Then joining this. So this is another radius of the circle. So taking here point R. Now marking all the angles with the help of compass and taking any length. So it looks good, that's why I'm drawing the arcs by this way. Okay, so now first angle POQ equal 120 degree, then angle QOR equal 120 degree, then angle POR equal 120 degree, so total 360. Next drawing a perpendicular line on the radius OP at the point P with the help of protractor. So first marking here 90 degree. Okay, so now joining this, and it is a perpendicular line at the point P on the radius OP. Next by similar way drawing another perpendicular line on the radius OQ at the point Q. So first marking 90 degree angle with the help of protractor, then joining this. So this is another perpendicular line at the point Q. Now by similar way drawing third perpendicular line at the point R with the help of protractor. So first marking 90 degree angle, then joining this. Okay, so here three perpendicular line meet at 3 point. So taking here point A, here B, and here C. Okay, now checking the angle. So this is perfectly 60 degree angle, and we know that each angle of an equilateral triangle is equal and 60 degree. So first marking all the angle by this way, then here this is 60 degree, this is 60 degree, and this one also 60 degree. Next measuring the length of each side, and the length of each side approximately 10.4 centimeter approximately. So all the three sides are equal. So write down equal symbol on three sides by this way. So therefore here ABC is the required equilateral triangle. So by this way you can draw an equilateral triangle. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Please share it with your friends.